Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Dollar Tree haul, and it's been a while since I've done a Dollar Tree haul. Of course, I've been gone for a little bit, but also on top of that, there really hadn't been a whole lot, to be quite honest, like December, early part of January. So I really haven't done a haul, but I feel like I've got some stuff. This is actually like 3 Dollar Trees worth of stuff. So it's like each bag has a little bit of something from each Dollar Tree, and so I just decided to go ahead and make one big haul. I recently did a walkthrough of one of the Dollar Trees. I'll have that link down below if you missed it. But yeah, anyways, I'm excited to be doing another haul. So without any further chit chat, let me just go ahead and show you what I got at the Dollar Tree. So my husband was with me on this particular trip. So he saw these gloves here. These are by Tool Bench Hardware. They're jersey gloves. And it's a one size fits most, and they have like, so he really liked them. He saw them and he figured he could buy them and like throw them in his car for like if he goes to the Lowe's or something and needs them. They've got this like grippy stuff. They're really, really cool. And he's got kind of big hands, so they fit him really well. So he just, yeah, he wanted to pick these up when we were there and just give them a try just to have in his car. We also picked up this little 6-pack of Snickers. He ate one in the car. But yeah, 6 for $1.25. Not a bad little deal. Of course, their little snacks are always kind of a good deal. We go through quite a bit of them, but he picked those up. So that was his stuff on this particular trip. I haven't been able to find my 4 or even 3 packs of votive candles like I normally would find. But they had these here. For $1.25, you get 2. They're glass jars with votives in them. And I just decided to buy them and just try them out. This was actually before the same day we went to a restaurant supply store, and I ended up getting a big box of them. So, but we went to Dollar Tree first, so I picked up these. So I'm gonna see how they do them and see how long they last. And yeah, like I said, I have not been able to find the 3 or 4 packs of votive candles like I used to buy. It used to be 4 for $1, then it was 4 for $1.25. Then I was finding the 3 packs, so 3 for $1.25. Now I can't find them. So anyways, so I wanted to give these a try just because I had seen them. And then I like to buy the little Febreze small space little things, and I like to put them like where we have like the trash that's in the cabinetry. I like to stick one in there, and I like to have one near the litter box. And I like to buy the Gain scented, but I like all of them, and they're just like little things, and they do last like a month. They really last like a really long time. And they look like this, so if you know what I'm talking about, they look like this. Usually I buy them in a 2-pack. They do have them in single packs. But I wanted to try this, the Sure Sense brand, their version of it. So I just wanted to try, you know, for $1.25, if this seems to work just as well. I mean, I'm always down. I can smell it a little bit. It smells okay. But yeah, it's a similar, so you just pull this out and then it just kind of sits there, you know, and kind of smells good. The ones from the Febreze, like you kind of have this thing and you puncture it. So we'll see how this works. I'll definitely let you know. Definitely comment down below if you've used this and what you think of it. And does it work as good as the Febreze ones? Definitely let me know. And then my little phone ring broke on my phone, so I bought a new one. This is the E-Circuit ring phone holder. And this is actually the 3rd one of these I've purchased. Exact one of these I've purchased. The original one that I bought was like a much sturdier, more flexible plastic. This one here is not so much, and it will crack after a while and then break. So they had some other options, but I like the ring because you can kind of rotate, whereas everything else is so static. And I don't really like the pop sockets. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm just really accustomed to this. So I bought another one that I can put on my phone. So I've got some beauty stuff. This isn't really going in any particular order. I'm just like, each bag, I'm just going into the bags. I just finished one up, and I'm using a backup one of these now, and I bought another backup because I saw it. This is a great deal for $1.25. Works so good at cleaning your brushes. Every bit as good as anything more expensive. And it's $1.25 for this 5-ounce bottle of makeup brush cleaner. So good. Love this. I can't say enough good about it. So wanted to get another backup of that. And then I got this Yardley London premium hand lotion. They had a couple different scents, both of which smell really good. I decided to go with the English lavender. It says it has no alcohol, no parabens. I bought a body lotion of this. It was like an almond cherry, and it was just so thin, it was not good. This seemed a little bit thicker than the body lotion did. It smells really nice. So my idea is I'm gonna put this, I have this little wooden thing that holds like my hand soap and like a lotion. by my kitchen sink, and I'm gonna put this in there. So, you know, just a nice little, after you wash dishes, or if you just happen to be in your kitchen, you wanna put on some hand lotion. You know, it's not gonna be the best, but I just wanted something for that spot because I'm getting ready to use up the lotion that's in there now. Then I saw this and I was intrigued, y'all. Look at this. Okay, so I'm a big fan of the wet brush, and they're pretty pricey. They're like 20 bucks a piece, but you can usually find them at like Marshall's and TJ Maxx for like 5 bucks. So I have one. My mom bought several of her friends one. I bought my best friend one, and I saw they have seemingly a dupe at the Dollar Tree. They had gray, I believe, and pink. I got pink, and it's a detangler brush. It's flexible, has flexible bristles for wet and dry hair. So I was very, very intrigued because honestly, I love mine that I have now. And the key is, yeah, these brushes are like flexible, but I also really like it for my wigs and hair pieces. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if it works as good as my regular wet brush. So very, very intrigued. Definitely comment down below if you use wet brush or if you've tried this one. Definitely let me know what you think. But yeah, I was very excited to see that. So then I thought this was really cool. I'm doing a show, I'm doing like a Selena show, and like I need my hair back like this. And I thought this was kind of an interesting product by Be Pure. And I do like work with Be Pure, but I bought all this stuff here on my own to try. This is the Flyaway Finishing Hair Cream with Brush. Helps tame flyaways and stray ends. It's compact, it's tack-free, and it's transparent. So it's like this, you know, it's like this little flyaway treatment. So it has like this little before and after of actually someone wearing a bun, and there's flyaways and then there's none. So I thought it would be really cool to try. In fact, I don't really have any flyaways at the moment because I really do have my hair pretty tacked down. I do have a little bit. I don't know if you can see it I don't know if you can see it right there. So let's see how this does. Of course, has a light scent, pleasant. And I've got like a lot of broken hairs around my scalp, especially when I was blonde. I think that did help that area around my head. I really like it. I'm gonna see how it dries down and let you know. But yeah, so far I'm impressed. And I figured it would just be nice and easy. Instead of like having like hairspray and a brush to do it with 2 products, figured this might be the easiest thing because I'm doing a show and my time and my space is very, very, very important. So I can always find like the easiest, best way to do things. So I wanted to give that a try and just happened to see it that day when I went to the Dollar Tree. And then I'd always been really curious about this product, but never actually purchased it from the Dollar Tree. I used to use a product like this years ago. What was it called? Like No Bumps or something like that. It's much more expensive at the drugstore, like $5 or $6. But Personal Care has like a dupe for it. It's the Bikini Shave Gel. It says compared to Bikini Zone Anti-Bump Shave Gel. It's gently fragranced, moisturizing formula, but that won't irritate. It's got aloe vera and different shea butter and all that kind of stuff, and it looks identical to the stuff. Very, very light scent. I'm very excited to try it. Like I said, this is one of those things I've always kind of meant to try and just have never actually picked it up. And I know there's another YouTuber that I know uses this instead of the more expensive brand. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this. Really, really excited to try that. And for $1.25, you can't beat it. If it works really well, you can't beat it. And then I'm getting ready to use up a cleanser, and I've got another cleanser that I'm trying to use up that I don't really like as much. But I really like this, and I actually already have this in my, kind of permanently in my suitcase for when I travel. But I wanted to buy another one for here at home. This is the Pond's Pure Detox Facial Foam. And this is a really nice cleanser. And you know, for $1.25, you get this small container. It's 1.7 ounces. But a little bit of this goes a long way. So this really, really lasts. So I really like this. So I just went ahead and picked it up. And then again, I bought these on my own. Be Pure did not send these to me. But I thought they were really cute. Now I'll actually be doing a full face of some new Dollar Tree makeup that I've collected over the last little while. One here is a dessert bronzer and blush, and the other one's a dessert bronzer. One's cupcake scented, one is cookie scented, and I thought these were really, really cute. So let us take them out and we will swatch them. Oh my goodness, you guys, I thought that the outer packaging was super cute. Look at the actual packaging, how cute that is. It loses none of its charm by taking it out of the box. So this one here is cupcake scented. I don't really smell it. The good news is it's not strong. And this is cookie scented. This one seems a little bit more scented. So this is the cookie one. Where is it even on my hand? My skin is kind of tan at the moment. Not a lot of color payoff, but we will see. It seems a little shimmery. This is supposed to be a bronzer, but like, I think it might be a little too light for my skin. It's got these little white and blue things, and it's kind of like making a cast. I don't have high hopes for them, but you know me, I will shamelessly try them in my next Get Ready With Me and try to make them work. Then I got this. I just thought the color was beautiful. It's this Kiss brand of nail polish that they sell at the Dollar Tree, and I thought this shade was gorgeous. This is in, it doesn't say the shade, but it's like a gold, and I thought it was really beautiful. And I like to do gel nails from time to time, and I have an additive that I can put in and make this. It says gel, but like the kind of gel where you can use the UV light. I have an additive, so I thought that was really a beautiful shade. So I'd never seen it before, so I wanted to pick it up. Now I'm going into my other bag. We still got more products to go. They've had a ton of Gnomes at my different Dollar Trees. Of course, I want to buy them all, but I really don't need to buy them all, so I tried to contain myself and only get certain ones. But you'll see the walkthrough, there's a lot more than what I picked up, but I couldn't help myself just a little bit. So right here, how cute is that? And I picked this up, it's a Valentine's Day one, but I thought it would also be good for Christmas. So I don't decorate for Valentine's Day or really any other holiday except like fall and Christmas. So I thought this could work for Christmas. They had a pink one that was so cute. You see in that walkthrough. It's like a female gnome. And I don't really like the arms. I might actually take the arms off, honestly. But anyways, I thought it was so, so cute. $1.25, little sequin hat. Can't beat it. Absolutely adorable. And I'm weak. I love gnomes. Then they had a few different color combinations of these as well. And I actually bought these for a giveaway at some point. So I bought these for you, not me. And I just thought they were really, really, really cute. Just these little gnome plushies. Thought they were so, so, so sweet. They had one that was red and blue, and yeah, just absolutely cute. So like I said, I bought these for a future giveaway. Then these are kind of have become a staple of mine. These Zeiss lens wipes. You get 12 to the pack. And I maybe clean my glasses once a week. I'm pretty good. I think this is like the third package I have purchased. So yeah, these are like a staple for me. I saw at Walmart, they had like a big box of them. I don't know how much they were charging. It's probably a better deal, but honestly, these last me quite a while. So these are really, really nice. Easy, one step to clean your glasses. And then I bought this because I wanted the little version of this. It's a lint brush, but then it also comes with a little mini lint brush, and I want to be able to pack that away when I travel. I've already got like a lint brush at work, a lint brush in my car, a lint brush at home. But yeah, I really bought this to get the little mini one. It has 25 sheets and the big one has 45. And I always get my lint brushes at the Dollar Tree. So like I said, I picked that one up mainly for the small one. I got this pair of sunglasses. When I was, where was I? We went to Universal Studios a couple weeks ago. And I wore the heck out of my Dollar Tree sunglasses. And so I thought these here were so cute. Just like the little white rimmed. And so, yeah, like I'm not an expensive like sunglass person. I had a pair that I bought on the cruise ship several years ago because we went up to onto the deck of the ship, and my eyes, normally I don't really even need sunglasses. I probably should wear them anyway, but I don't always feel like I need them. And it was so bright, so I went to the gift shop and bought a pair of sunglasses, and they lasted me for years. Just got rid of them, and so I didn't want to spend like another 40 bucks on sunglasses because I'm cheap with that type of thing. But the ones at the Dollar Tree are so cute, and they have ultraviolet protection, and yeah, so I've got a couple different styles, and I thought the little white ones would be really cute. Then I bought two of these because I bought one for me and for you. These are the makeup removal pads, and they were really cute. Of course, you know, it's around Valentine's Day. They got all the Valentine's Day stuff out. So they're these little heart-shaped ones, and I thought they were so cute. Now, I've had like a fail kind of with a lot of products kind of like this. I just like the makeup removing actual cloths, but I thought these were really cute. I thought these were kind of big enough and soft. Oh, they're soft. Oh my goodness. For like eye makeup or something. So yeah, I thought they'd be really cute. And like I said, I also thought they would be really cute for a future giveaway. So I wanted to pick them up while they had them for Valentine's Day. And then again, I bought a set for me and a set for you. They had these super, super cute makeup brushes. They're from Sassy Chic, and y'all, like seriously, like look at these. how adorable are these? So they have two styles. They got like this one here, kind of like a smaller, more tapered, and like kind of like a thicker one. So like I said, I bought a set for me. I bought 2 for me and 2 for y'all. One of each shape and size. Let's take them out. Usually these are really very nice brushes. That is so cute, you guys. Look at that. Be good for just like some highlighter. And I really need to go through my brushes and get rid of some. I brought all my brushes from home from work to clean. And I don't think those are actually sprinkles in there. I think they're like little plastic pieces. And look at that little brush right there. That is just so cute. So yeah, like I said, I bought some for me and I bought a set for you as well. Super cute. And I mean, like, just look how cute those things are together. Like, seriously. Couple more items. Couple more things from Be Pure. I got this hydrating serum foundation. I got the shade light, medium. I think Miss Tina, I think this is the one you were talking about, Tina, that you said is kind of like a L'Oreal foundation. I wasn't sure what I purchased when I responded to your comment, but yeah, I guess I got this foundation here. And if it's the same one, you said you really liked it. So I'm excited to try it. And then I've got the Essentially Ageless Luminizing Blush. This is in Dahlia. So that's what the packaging looks like. Of course, we're gonna swatch these. So yeah, these will be in my next testing out new Dollar Tree makeup video. Packaging is actually like really nice. Like, that looks like a much more expensive thing. Here's what the blush looks like. It actually is really, really very pretty. Actually looks really nice on my darker skin at the moment. So I'm very, very excited to try that. And then this little tube of foundation is really, really nice. So I just put that on my hand right there. I think the color will work very, very well. The coverage looks really very nice. You can see like it kind of, my veins are a little covered up. So I'm very excited to try the new makeup here soon. And then the last product, I thought this was a really pretty barrette, especially for when I go back to work and start wearing my 3/4 wigs. I like to sometimes have like a little barrette on the side, but I thought this was really cute. It's just this kind of little gold barrette here. Y'all know I love my barrettes from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, kind of thinking it can go to the side and then I wear my wig. And yeah, I just thought it was really, really pretty. So I'll have relevant content up here. That way you can binge watch more videos like this. Of course, if you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, become a Dollar Diva. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.